How to fix Telegram download stuck easily and fast. Welcome back guys to this new short tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easily and fast. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, you would find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do here is click on Telegram app. When you click on Telegram, now here you have to click on this force stop option and go down to the notifications management and make sure that all the notifications right here are enabled like this. Go back and click on the storage, then click on clear cache, and that's it. Now last thing you want to do is restart your phone. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.